Hello, in this video we want to learn how to calculate using logarithm, that is calculation using logarithm table. Say we have a problem like this: evaluate 36.84 multiplied by 2.95 all divided by 18.52. So we want to solve this problem without using calculator but with the use of logarithm table. The very first thing, we write our solution and we draw the logarithm table, the column for this. So we have these three columns: the number, the log, and this side is prepared for working. So whenever we have to work around here, the very first number now we have it to be 36.84, and we have the other one which is 2.95. Those are the numerator. So when going to the log side, before you go and check your four-figure table, you will definitely write the integer for these numbers. Having 36.84, if you convert this to standard form, what will be the power of 10? The power of 10 will be 1, because when you convert this to standard form, you have 3.6 times 10 raised to power 1, that is 3.684 times 10 raised to power 1. Or in another way, let's say how many digits do we have before the decimal? We have 2 digits before the decimal, right? Now subtract 1 from 2, that will be 1. So we write that one down. Now the second part here, if you take 2.95 to standard form, what we have is still 2.95 times 10 raised to power 0. So the power of 10 is what we write down. Or in another way, how many number do we have before decimal? Just 1. Subtract 1 from 1, that will be 0. You keep 0 point. Then at this point, you now introduce your four-figure table. You go and check your four-figure table. Under your four-figure table, you check for the logarithm of 36. Log 36 under 8. Log 36 under 8. That is 5658. Then difference 4. Difference 4 is 5. So when you add 5 to 5658, it becomes 5663. That is your logarithm, 5663. Right? 5663. We do the same thing for the logarithm of 2.95. That is going to be 29 under 5. 29 under 5, which is 4698. 4698. So we've been able to check the logarithm of this. Now what we need to do is, looking at this, the multiplication in indices, don't forget multiplication will change to addition. As such, we'll be adding this. We add these two numbers. If we add these two numbers now, what do we get? You add this, which gives us 3 plus 8. That is 11. We write 1. Remainder 1. Add this, add that one to 6 plus 9 here. You do 6 plus 9, that's 15 plus 1, 16. Write 6. You keep your 1 with this. 13. You keep your 1 with this. 0 point. You add it to it. That's 2. So you've been able to do that, and that is our numerator. Our numerator. So we can as well push it to this side. 2.0361. Now we should try to look for our denominator, which is 18.52. 18.52. Remember, 2 digits before decimal, so we are writing 1 point. Then we check our 4-figure table. 18 under 5. 18 under 5. 18 under 5, that's 2672. Difference 2. Difference 2 is 5. So it's going to be 2675. So we have it as 2675. So that is our denominator. Since there is no other number to multiply, let's say our denominator now. Denominator equals this 1.2675. In indices, division will change to subtraction. So we are going to subtract these two now from each other. Subtracting these two, what do we have? We borrow 1 to this place, making it 11. When you subtract 5 from 11, you have 6. 6. Remember, this is 5 now. Borrow 1 to a 15. When you subtract 7 from it, you have 8. So this is now 2. You borrow 1 from this to this, that's 10. Then borrow 1 here. So this place has become 9. While this one is now 12. That will be 6. Take 2 from this 9. That will be 7. Then this one has become 1. That will be 0. So we've been able to do this. Since there is no other number to work with now, the next thing for us is now find the antilog. We have to find the antilog of this number. The antilog of this. If you go and check your antilog table, the antilog table always starts from point something. Point something, that is where your antilog table starts from. So we are looking at antilog of 0.76 under 8 difference 6. Antilog of 0.76 under 8 difference 6. So let me bring in my antilog table, which I believe that you are also doing. So there. So this is the antilog table. We are going to be checking the antilog of 0.76. 0.76. So we can check together. 76 under 8. This is 76 under 8. That's 5861. Then difference 6. Difference 6 is 8. So if we add 8 to this, that will become 5869. So the antilog gives us 5869. Remember, we did not put into consideration this 0 when we're checking the antilog because it's from 0.76. Now that we are done with this number, to now know where the decimal will be, this is 0 here. You add 1 to whatever number we have here. So here in this situation, we are having 0. Add 1 to 0 gives you 1. So count the number 1. Then your decimal will be here. Therefore, this problem will become 5.869. So if you enjoy this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button as well for more interesting educational videos like this. Thank you.